हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू नॉलेजिस्ट। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है, ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट ICICI बैंक has notified a recently advertisement regarding the bank PO, clear, basically probationary officer. So I am Kirandeep Garg here, basically in front of you. Basically in this session we will discuss regarding in detail regarding this advertisement and how we will register for this exam, clear, and what are the basically benefits and what are the qualifications required for this examination. We will discuss all these things in this our session, clear. So let's start our session on this. So as you see one advertisement on your screens, basically this advertisement is uploaded by ICICI bank on their website, clear. What this advertisement says that, so join ICICI bank probationary officers program for sales and relationship management, clear, program for sales and relationship management. And what is their eligibility criteria? As there is mentioned eligibility criteria, minimum 55% marks in graduation and 27 years of age. Freshers can also apply, clear. There is as such no need of experience in that. And what are the program details? Residential program conducted at ICICI Manipal Academy, IMA Academy in campus Bangalore, including internship and the on-job training at ICICI Bank, job application pan India. For that you have to go to the ICICI Bank website and you can apply on their website, clear. I will provide you the link in the description of this video also, and for all other updates I will provide you the links where you can find all other things, clear है. सभी अपडेट्स के लिए आपको कहाँ पर जानकारी मिलेगी उसके रिगार्डिंग में आपको सभी चीज़ें यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ. सो फॉर ऑल अपडेट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ज्वाइन अवर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. Basically this is our telegram group address. This link is also provided in the description. Basically https .tme telegram private bank PO, clear, private bank PO. So all updates are updated in this telegram group, either course updates, either preparation updates, either the course content, and also regarding all other GD interview, all these updates. And for other you can also visit our website, the https.knowledges.in. you can contact through email ID also, and this is our contact number. You can do WhatsApp on this number for all updates, clear. You can also do WhatsApp on our number for all lecture updates and for all other queries you can contact on this number. So basically, and when you open the website, there is a current opening page, and on that there is second one is probationary officer program, sales and relationship across India, experience 0 to 1 year. So when you click on that portion, probationary officers program, there will be a screen, clear. One new screen is opened, and on that all the details you have to fill and register this पोस्ट, क्लियर. वहां पर एक नई स्क्रीन खुलेगी, आपने स्क्रीन खुलते ही उस पर रजिस्टर का ऑप्शन आता है, वहां अपनी सारी डिटेल्स फिल करके आपको सबमिट कर देना है, क्लियर. व्हाट यू हैव टू फिल वी हैव टू डिस्कस हियर, क्लियर. व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू अपडेट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to update your resume, and resume basically in doc form, not in PDF form, clear. You have to upload your resume in the document form, not in the PDF form. So, and all there are some other vacancies also like accounts manager, transaction banking, basically that are very well experienced person vacancy, like 9 to 12 years vacancy. And next is relationship manager vacancy, clear. All these are vacancies for that person who has experience in that field, clear. So basically this is a course by ICICI Manipal Probationary Officers Program. This is a basically PGDB program, basically postgraduate diploma in banking program for sales and relationship management. Clear? For sales and relationship management, it is an initiative of ICICI Bank in partnership with the Manipal Global Education Services. Clear? जो ये आपका कोर्स है बेसिकली ICICI बैंक के द्वारा शुरू करा गया, किसकी पार्टनरशिप के साथ, किसके साथ पार्टनरशिप करा उन्होंने? मणिपाल ग्लोबल एजुकेशन सर्विसेज। बेसिकली एक इनका सेंटर है बेंगलुरु में, वहां पर आपको ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी 1 साल के लिए। क्लियर? द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम एम्स टू अट्रैक्ट यंग टैलेंट who wish to pursue a career in the banking. It is a vocational training program designed to develop a pool of first level managers with banking knowledge and required skill sets to perform efficiently in their day to day activities. Clear? वहां पर आपको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करा जाएगा, आपका पूरा प्रॉपर 1 साल का कोर्स होता है। क्लियर? बेसिकली 1 year कोर्स, बेसिकली दैट कोर्स टोटली डिजाइंड regarding the work which you have to done in the upcoming career. The roles offered on joining. What are the different kinds of roles? The roles offered on joining the bank after successful completion of the program will involve servicing. What are basically roles you have to work? Basically servicing, cross-selling and acquiring new customers through field visits as part of their duties or tasks assigned. Clear? Basically all work you have to done. Similarly, internship on the job training periods will also involve these duties, tasks as part of their learning process. Clear? Basically same thing as already mentioned in the SBI Junior Associates exam. Clear? SBI Junior Associate exam. Clear? So some students say that these are basically field job. No, basically all these things are also mentioned in the SBI Junior Associates program, like SBI hiring for the clerical cadre in the form of junior associates. So all these things are also mentioned here. Clear? So you have to properly basically gain information as these things are basically mentioned in all notifications. Clear? सो देर इज नॉट लाइक इन चीज़ों से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इस सभी जगह पर इन चीज़ों की अब प्रेजेंटली डिमांड है इन ऑल सेक्टर्स. सो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्रोग्राम? द प्रोग्राम स्ट्रक्चर इज एज फॉलोज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देर इज 4 terms, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. तो जो पूरा आपका कोर्स है इसको 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड करा गया. फर्स्ट term 4 months, what we have to done? Basically classroom training at IMA Bengaluru Academy. Clear? Campus. And after that 2 months internship at one of the branches of the ICICI Bank. And after that you have to go once again in your campus for 2 months training at IMA Bangalore. And the last 4 months you have to do your on job training at ICICI Bank. Clear? Basically 6 months training, 6 months course you have to done. What is the eligibility criteria? What is the eligibility criteria? इस एग्जाम के लिए eligibility criteria क्या है? Those who have completed graduation with 55% aggregate marks in any discipline. First of all, you have to complete your graduation and at least 55% marks, with at least 55% marks. Next is age criteria. Up to 27 years of age as on 1st March 2021. Should not have been born on or after 1st of March 1994. जो भी पर्सन 27 साल तक का है वो अप्लाई कर सकता है, और वो पर्सन 1 मार्च 1994 से बाद का बॉर्न नहीं होना चाहिए, उससे पहले का ही बॉर्न होना चाहिए. ओनली शॉर्ट लिस्टेड एप्लीकेंट्स विल बी इन्वाइटेड फॉर द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू अपलोड योर रिज्यूम ऑन देयर वेबसाइट, and after that if you are shortlisted then you will be invited for the selection process. The above will be considered as the threshold criteria for shortlisting. Clear? Basically the above 2 points basically the threshold minimum criteria for shortlisting for the next process. Clear? So now we will discuss what are the selection process. Clear? What is the selection process? The selection process for ICICI Bank probationary officer will comprise of, first of all, there is an online aptitude test, and online aptitude test consists of 3 components. Clear? What are the 3 components in the online? What? Quant. There are 3 components in the online aptitude test. This is quant, reasoning and English. Clear? Online aptitude test, we have 3 components: quant, reasoning and English. And after that there is one psychometric, online psychometric questionnaire, and if you clear both these tests, then you have to able to go to the next round. Clear? If you clear both these rounds, then only after that you have to go to the next round, which is basically case based group discussion. Clear? Next round is case based group discussion. In online cyto, basically as we have discussed, quant, reasoning, English, and this is total 60-minute test. There is no negative marking in that, no negative marking. Clear? But in that the marks you obtained will not be disclosed. If you clear the exam, then you will receive the mail. For the next round, either you will not receive any mail. Clear? The next round is case based psychometric group discussion and personal interview, and after that a merit list was released on their website also. In rare cases they will update this list on their website. Either basically what they can do, basically they will mail personally to all the selected candidates the GD and the personal interview. Only for applicants who successfully clear the GD will be concluded on the same day. Clear? जो आपकी GD एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू है, ये एक ही दिन में आपका हो जाता है. बेसिकली जो आपका GD क्लियर कर लेता है, उनके बाद उसी दिन उनका पर्सनल इंटरव्यू भी हो जाएगा. Clear? Then there is basically fees of the training, because this is a 1-year training, so you have to pay some amount, and this basically this fees is also available as on, which is also loan. So the probationary officer training program is a cashless bridge to managerial jobs for aspiring students. To pursue the probationary officer training program, the interested students will have to invest. Basically, totally you have to invest rupees 3,71,700. Basically, loan of rupees 3,15,000 plus applicable goods and services tax, which is presently 18%. Clear? On 3,15,000 you have to pay 18% GST. After that, total amount basically 3,71,700, and further you have to pay rupees 16,800, basically cost of a tablet cover plus SD card plus GST, and total amount basically 3,71,700 plus 16,800. Total amounts basically equals to 3,88,500. Clear? So you have to pay that much amount for the training program. And students have an option. Clear? Here students have an option of either availing an education loan from ICICI Bank or self-funding the course fee. Clear? Basically there are 2 options. First of all, either you have to avail an education loan from ICICI Bank or of self-funding the course fees. After completion of the training program, the probationary officers will be observed as the deputy manager band 1 in the bank. Clear? After that, basically you have been directly appointed as the deputy manager band 1 in the bank. Hope it clears to all of you. Basically initially you have to pay the amount, basically training fee, and if you are after successfully done your training, you are directly appointed as the deputy manager band 1 in the bank. Clear? This is basically the total overview regarding the ICICI probationary officers program. Clear? And thanks to all of you for watching this video. For all lecture, basically for all updates, you have to visit our website knowledgist.in. Clear? Knowledgist, you have to visit our website, or our Telegram group. Clear? and all these links are available in the description. All links are available in the description. Clear? So thanks to all of you for joining this session.